Grandpa pulled up on a little truck selling ice cream, so I ran out to get some. Lami? It's coconut. So good.
Namit.
Namit.
Namit kaayo.
Namit kaayo.
Lang ma'am? Oo. Kaya kami sa baw.
I want this one too.
Ano na siya ang minuto? Beef steak. Beef steak. This one I don't know how to call this. Maybe a fritada or what. I don't know what's the difference between a fritada and fritada.
Fritada and menudo are very close.
Yeah. Machado. Or maybe this is a pork steak. Adobo. Chicken.
It all looks really good. I want to get this one too, beef stick. Can I get this too? This one?
Only one.
Yeah, one serving. Yeah.
Sabaw na lang ba yun?
It's so cute. The rice is in little hearts here.
Or delivery food.
So we got beef steak.
Ice cream.
Malaga. What's in Malaga?
Nilaga. It's pork. Beef. Soup.
I know it's soup, but like what kind of meat is in it?
Like beef, I think.
Beef.
So beef. Yeah. Look at it.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a beef.
Okay. Let's eat. La Fangka.
It's a gay language. Lapang.
Give it a quick taste test. Beef steak. Oh. It's very tough and cold, but it tastes good. It's like tomato sauce flavor. It tastes like sloppy joes in America if you put that on like a pot roast. Interesting though. Let's try the Milaga.
Nilagang baka.
I got all beef, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's get a piece with some meat.
Thank you so much.
And some sliced mangoes. That's nice. They were nice enough to cut it up for us. Let's see. That was much softer. The broth is really good.
Like it.
Oniony, a little spicy, but there's chilies in it. Super good. I thought it was inside, like innards, like stomach or something, but it's meat. Unod. So we're gonna enjoy it. Bye. Grandpa pulled up on a little truck selling ice cream, so I ran out to get some. Lami? It's coconut. So good.
Namit.
Namit.
Namit kaayo.
Namit kaayo. So good. Even the police officer outside is eating some. So, must be good. Alright, we just left the Caranderia. Tried to get some more ice cream, but the store didn't sell ice candy, which I wanted. And then a lady walked up with a styrofoam and she had ice candy. It was perfect timing.
Ari na kami sa roundabout.
Mango, made by somebody's mom, walking down the street in the heat, selling it. So perfect person to give a little profit to.
Sa mercado din.
Super good. It's so hot today. It's really great. Real pieces of mango inside. Everyone's eating one. Kuya. The girls have one. Gina's eating one. What's up, guys? So we're at the Windmill lookout point. It's actually like a tourist spot here. There's even like pasalubong areas over here and more pasalubong areas over there. So you come here and you take pictures for Instagram like they're doing right now. It's huge. It's definitely like at least 100 feet tall. These are the first ones in this area at least. But they said when these were installed, power cost went up. I don't know if that's due to general corruption here in the Philippines or if that's due to it actually being more expensive than burning coal, because I don't think coal mines are a big thing here. I've never heard anyone mention coal here. So I don't know. Hopefully it's for legit reasons, but still it kind of sucks electric went up because electric prices are already high here. Basically the price of electric here is the same as it is in America. So imagine the average minimum wage here is $1 an hour, but yet the electric cost per month on your bill is the exact same as it is in America. So my average bill here is maybe 4,000 pesos, which is about $80 a month. And I use air conditioning a lot, but even for like your average family, they might have 1,000 pesos a month or something like that. You have to have a ref and fans and stuff like that. So I mean, that's 2 full days pay for your average family, and already they're making $1 an hour, so you're taking 20 hours of pay out of their pockets. Anyway, so that's my rundown on what electric costs here in this little site. We're gonna take some pictures and then we'll get back. I think we've got 1 or 2 more spots to see before we go. I'm so full from all the food we've eaten. A lot of mangoes, ice cream, ice candy, what else? Beef steak, xiao pao. Oh, my head is a little sore. Oh, I think I might have got sunburned at the beach. Oh no, I forgot to bring sunscreen. So we'll see how that plays out later. Bye guys.
Like saying I'm the king of the world. Carmela, your parcel! Ma'am, parcel, ma'am! Ma'am, Shopee!
Here you can see across the water to Negros. There's some little island over there. Maybe if I get it taller, easy to see, I don't know. Uh-oh. I rusted my tripod a little bit by getting into the water earlier. It's so like wet, I didn't want to open. Ugh. Maybe I'll let it dry. Well, it started raining on our way to the last one. But there's even people out there walking in the waves right now. What's this place called?
Roca Encantada.
Roca Encantada. I guess. Time for some Instagram. Oh, there's even a tiny little rock island out there. Yeah, it's like an island the size of like a football field. In fact, you can see, well, maybe you can't. It's always hard to tell what you can see in these videos, because when I look at it on my computer later on, it's much better and bigger. So yeah, just off the water here is this island, and then there's two other small islands right there, just kind of off by themselves. I'd be curious to know if it was possible to live on something like that. It doesn't look very big, but it's beautiful. It'd be fun to go spend a day there and just drink some Red Horse, maybe do a little karaoke as long as your batteries last, like camp out there would be nice, barbecue, because it's just a bunch of shade trees. It looks like solid rock though, so I don't know how comfy it is. And I don't know how you get to the top because it's about 30 feet out of the water. But if you can conquer all those goals, I bet it'll be fun. We're gonna get some pictures now, and then we'll make our way hopefully to it, or maybe inside, and we'll get some more video. Bye.
Welcome to my house. Is this your rest house?
This is my house that I earned with my big YouTube money. I own this mansion. We can go up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Be careful. It's like these are steps like.
I'm so tall. I was showing her this. It's like,
Yeah.
it's like a very weird pose.
Just gonna take some photos, nice photos. Got that behind the scenes. Oh my gosh.
Yes. There's the huge mansion, lots of different levels, and then you can actually go down to the water. Yeah, the steps are very uneven. You can see literally these stairs just go down straight to the water.
I'm back! Welcome to the guys!
Cute. I think if I went down, it looks slick, so I think if you actually try to go on those rocks, you might slide right in. But it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see the shoreline here. Super gorgeous. You see the fog over the other islands. You can see another one of the little turtle islands here. This main terrace, there's a secondary terrace, I guess, above the master bedroom, and then there's like a lower terrace, then another terrace, and then another terrace down to the ocean, and there's even different terraces over to the side, then a whole courtyard. So it's dedicated to some family from the early 1900s, I guess during the Spanish occupation. So it's really beautiful. Surrounded by basically nothing. Even this beach is just coconut husks and like old boats, coconut trees. I only see maybe 1 or 2 people out there walking in the sand right now, but it looks like a very nice, very long beach. I don't know if you can see, like this goes probably at least a mile of solid sand. I'm surprised no resorts have bought it up, but it's nice that it's still local people who own it and get to use it. You can see they're still taking pictures back there. Anyway, that's the Roca Encantada. We're gonna chill for a little bit and I think we're done. It's still only about 1 p.m. We left at like 6:30 or so, it's almost 7 hours of traveling around the island and taking pictures of stuff. So we'll see you later.